takes thousands of avocados to create this vibrant emerald green oil, flowing straight into the collection tanks.
Only carefully selected ripe avocados are used for oil production.
Every avocado is cleaned and inspected before processing. We have a temperature spike in zone 4.
Adjusting the cooler output now.
The edible avocado flesh is prepared for oil extraction. The avocados are crushed into a paste before the oil can be extracted.
The viscosity seems optimal on the readout.
Yes, the flow rate is consistent. We can proceed with extraction. The viscosity looks perfect, smooth, and uniform.
Agreed.
Activating the pump now.
The avocados are crushed into a paste before the oil can be extracted. Check the pressure levels on schematic 4. The influx is spiking. Confirmed. Adjusting the flow regulators now. Powerful centrifuges separate pure oil from water and fruit solids. Now the oil is separated from the avocado paste using advanced extraction technology. Next, you'll see how this green paste becomes pure avocado oil. Are the levels stabilizing on the gamma line?
Yes, everything is nominal now.
Check the flow rate on loop 7.
It's optimized. Purification levels are nominal across the board.
Filtration removes unwanted particles while preserving the oil's quality.
gradient is perfect. We can approve the batch.
Every batch is tested before it can be bottled. The finished oil now enters the packaging department.
We have an alert on line 4. Flow rate is unstable.
I see it. Rerouting the servo now. It's normalizing.
Good catch.
Each carton is carefully prepared for transportation. Advanced automation allows thousands of bottles to be packaged every hour.
This barcode here seems slightly off-center.
Let me see. No, it scans correctly. The seals look good too.
All right, I'll sign off on this pallet then.
Before shipping, products are stored in large distribution centers. From factory to store shelves, every bottle follows a carefully planned journey.